Welcome everyone to our next video tutorial in SolidWorks, where we continue the creation of this vise assembly. The next two parts are going to be extremely easy. We're going to build a key, which is simply a rectangular prism, and then we're going to jump down to the handle rod, which is simply a cylinder. So let's go ahead and get started with the key. Let's go to new part. And then sketch, front plane, and I'm going to just draw a rectangle and dimension that rectangle by the appropriate size. So 1.75 wide by 0.1875 tall. And then I can go to extruded boss/base and make it 0.375. Alright, then for material, it's alloy steel, so cast alloy steel is fine. Go ahead and save this. And that's it for that part. Let's go ahead and do the handle rod. So I'm going to go to new part, sketch, front plane, and then draw a circle and dimension that circle to be 0.375. Alright, let's go ahead and extrude it to be 5 inches and change the material to alloy steel. And that's it for the handle rod. So go ahead and save this. And that is it for those two parts. As I said, they are extremely easy. Next up, we'll do the screw and then the handle knob, and then we'll go to assembly. Now, thank you for watching this tutorial. If you would please like and subscribe to this channel and this video to help me make more of these tutorials.